In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove debit or credit card from Alibaba account. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to update the app first so the menus match what you see here and everything runs smoothly. Next, tap sign in and log in with your account. Enter your credentials and complete any verification your account requires, such as a code or biometric prompt. Make sure you're on the official Alibaba app and connected to a secure network before proceeding. Once you land on the dashboard, look to the lower right and tap My Alibaba. This takes you to your account area where you can manage orders, settings, and payment methods. If your layout looks slightly different, you're still looking for the account or profile section in the bottom navigation. In the account area, tap Payment. This is where your saved methods live. To add a new one, choose Add a New Card. The app will open a secure form for your card details. Enter your card information carefully. Type the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as they appear on your card, and use the cardholder name that your bank recognizes. If prompted for a billing address, ensure it matches the address on file with your bank. Mismatches are a common reason cards fail to verify. Double-check each field before continuing and avoid sharing your details with anyone. Everything should be entered only in this secure form. When you're ready, tap Confirm. At this point, many banks will ask you to verify the card. Watch for a push notification or an in-app prompt from your card's banking app. Follow the instructions there to confirm the transaction or small verification charge. If you're asked to approve, tap Approve in your bank's app, then return to Alibaba. When the process completes, tap OK to finish. You should now see your new card listed under Payment. The app will usually display the last few digits so you can identify it at a glance. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or give it a moment to update. If you ever need to remove the card, simply find it in the same payment section, tap the delete or trash icon next to it, and then tap Remove to confirm. The app may warn you if it's tied to an active order or if you need another method on file before deletion. That's it. You've added a card, approved it securely, and learned how to remove it when you're done.